Hello, my name is Bram Stolk. This is another video on vintage lenses, and this time it's quite an extraordinary lens we have here. This lens was gifted to me, and it's a Bell & Howell, and this was for a spy camera on a US Air Force plane, maybe a bomber, maybe a spy plane, maybe a fighter. US Air Force. It's 36-inch focal length, which is over 900 millimeters, almost a meter. So yeah, this came in a very rough shape. Lots of oxidation, dirty lenses, and incredibly heavy. It is aluminum, but still a lot of weight. This is for the shutter, and the shutter was already removed, so this housing is overkill. I don't need so much housing. So yeah, the goal of this exercise is to rehouse this lens. There are 5 elements. 2 in this part. Let me see if I 2 in this part and 3 in this part. So today we're gonna assemble these 3 into new housing, and for this I have 3D printed these parts. And yeah, so let's house the 3 front elements of this Bell & Howell 36-inch lens. So this one goes in the back like this. It's quite a tight fit. Get to the next element. It's got a spacer. I'm reusing the original steel spacer, I think. Next element is this one. Then it used to have a screw-in retaining ring, and fine threads are very hard to print with a 3D printer, so I'm using a different system. Okay, so this will clamp, and this is the very front element, so this is element 1, 2, and 3. Goes in here, and then we have this one to clamp it all off. The nylon bolts I bought off Amazon, and these are 3D printed. Now let's see if this will work. I'll put this here, this one here, like so. And there we have the first 3 elements that used to be in this, now in this. So taking another tube here, extension tube, a holder for 2 more elements, and that will go into a helicoid and then into the Abraham. So yeah. I'll keep you posted in the next video on assembling the rear elements.